Hello everybody. Now the question is, in the given figure, this is your figure, E is a point on the side BC, E is a point on the side BC which is produced of an isosceles triangle. This ABC is an isosceles triangle. It means if ABC is an isosceles triangle, then you can say angle B will be equal to angle C, because equal side opposite angles are always equal. And another information is AD is the perpendicular. This AD is perpendicular on BC and EF is perpendicular on AC. We are supposed to prove that triangle ABD similar to triangle EFC. We want to prove these two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle EFC is a similar. See now, so the information is already given. ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC means, that is, you can say angle B will be equal to angle C, because equal sides opposite angles are always equal. We are supposed to prove that triangle ABD similar to this one. So now first of all we will take in triangle in proof ABC. AB is equal to BC. So therefore angle B will be equal to angle C. This is already, you know, that equal sides opposite angles are equal. This is the reason, is already we know that equal side opposite angles are equal. But we want to make the similar these two triangles. We want to make the triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. So just now take in triangle ABD and triangle ECF. See now, in triangle ABD, this is already given 90, because AD is the perpendicular on BC is already given. AD is perpendicular on BC is already given. So this is your 90. You can say angle ADB is equal to 90 is equal to angle EFC. This is already given. This, because AD is the perpendicular on BC and EF is perpendicular on AC. So this is 90, this is 90. One angle is 90. It means we require one more angle. If we can make one more angle equal, then after that you can declare both the triangles are similar. तो एक angle हमको 90 है, एक search करिए. So now in triangle ABD, this angle B, and triangle ECF, this angle C is already equal. From here, angle B is equal to angle C, because AB was equal to AC. So from these two angles are equal, so you can declare, therefore you can say, therefore here triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF, which you want to prove. Have a look. Yes. Now another question is, in the given figure, this is figure is given, the information is given triangle AFEC congruent to triangle GBD, means this triangle is congruent, this triangle is congruent to this one. This is already given. This is the information which is already given. And angle 1 is equal to 2 is also given. We are supposed to prove that triangle ADE similar to ABC. Triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. So look at here now. So whatever is the given is here only. Here it is given. These two triangles are congruent. Triangle FEC is congruent to triangle GBD. This is already given. It means, according to this one, if it is this triangle is congruent to this one, then you can say this side EC here, last two will be equal to BD, EC will be equal to BD, therefore EC will be equal to BD. And this is already why, you know, by CPCT is there, because once the triangles are the congruent, it means this triangle is congruent to this one. So then AFE will be equal to the length GB, EC will be equal to BD, FC will be equal to ZD. and equal side opposite angle will also be equal. Now, but see, angle 1 is equal to 2 is already given, so therefore you can say AD is equal to AE, region, equal angle, opposite sides are always equal. Angle 1 is equal to 2 is already given, so you can say this AD is equal to AE. Now in this equation 1 and 2, in this AD from 1 and 2, you can add AD, in AD this EC, this BD, and AE plus EC. We can add equation 1 and 2, AD plus BD. So AD plus BD, what you will get? Therefore you can say that AB is equal to AE plus EC is equal to AC. This is, you can give the number 3 is here. Now you can take this equation 2 and 3. You can take the ratio. If you will take AD, now AD over AB is equal to AE over AC from equation 2 and 3. You can take, because this AD is equal to A is there, AB is equal to AC, so you can take the ratio AD over AB will be equal to AE over AC. So look at here now, what you are getting? You are getting AD over this AB is equal to AE over this AC, and in these two this angle A is common. Angle A is equal to angle A, that is here common. So from these two sides ratio is equal and included angle is also equal. So from these two you can say therefore triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC, which you want to prove. Have a look. Yes. Now the question is, in the given figure angle BAC is 90, this is already given 90, and AD is perpendicular on this BC. We are supposed to prove that this AD square is equal to BD into DC. So first of all, what exactly we want to prove? We want to prove this AD square is equal to BD into DC. See, so first of all we are supposed to know which triangle we are supposed to make the similar. हमें कौन से दो triangle similar करने, that you must know first. So for that is already we discussed the trick. इसको you are supposed to break it, BD into DC. इस BD को here you can write down, and here is one AD you can write down is here only. Just you can write this BD under this and AD is here. So D is common, so you are getting here is the triangle ABD. D is common, here is ADC. It means these two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle ADC, you are supposed to make the similar. We are supposed to make these two triangles are the similar here only. So this is the trick is there by which we can know which triangle we are supposed to make the similar, so we can get this one is there. So at least we know these two triangles. This triangle is similar to this triangle. We are supposed to prove first. So look at here now. How can you? So just take in triangle A, in triangle BAC, in triangle ADB, and triangle ADC. Just in these two triangles we are taking. So in triangle this ADB and ADC, this is 90, 90 is already given. Angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is already given 90 because this is your perpendicular. See now, for the own convenience, if you take this is your X and this is your 90 degrees, so what about this angle? This will be the 90 minus X because sum of these three angles is equal to 180. Now this is your 90 and this is 90 minus X, so what about this? It will be the X, and this is X, this is 90, so this will also be the 90 minus X. So finally what you are getting this angle this one, you are getting this angle, or you can say this angle is equal to this one. You can say angle ABD is equal to 90 minus X is equal to angle BAC, and they are the complement of this angle, complement of angle BAD. They are the complement of this angle, because this is sum of these two is 90 and this one sum of this one you are taking is 90. So they are the complement of this angle. It means this is equal to this one. So two angles are equal. One is this is 90 and this is equal to this one. So third one automatically will be the equal. You can see this angle. Therefore, angle PAD is equal to angle ACD. That is your third angle. And if the two angles are equal, then you can declare both the triangles are similar. But here is all three are equal. So therefore, the triangle ADB is similar to triangle ADC. And once the triangles are the similar, then equal angle opposite side ratios are equal. So you can take from this one. From this 90 opposite side is AB. Hence you can say AB over this 90 because this is equal to this one. So this opposite side is AC. Now from this triangle we are taking. So 90 minus X angle opposite side is AD over this 90 minus X opposite side is CD is equal to this X opposite side is BD over this X opposite side is in this triangle is AD. From these two you are supposed to take this because you need this one. AD square is equal to BD into this one. So you can take from here. So what you will get from here only AD into AD. You can do the cross multiplication here. BD into CD. So therefore AD square is equal to BD into CD, which you want to prove is here. We want to prove this AD square is equal to BD into CD. Just you can take these two only. Have a look. Yes. Now the question is ABC is a right angled triangle. Right angled at B. This is your 90 is already given. The information is given is here only. Triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90, 1. And this DN is perpendicular on BC and BD is also perpendicular on AC and DN is perpendicular on AB. This is the information is given, means this BD is perpendicular on AC, DM is perpendicular on BC and DN is perpendicular on AB. So look at here now. So this is your 90, this is your 90, this is also 90. So fourth angle automatically will be the 90 is there. Sum of these four angles will be 360. So this is 90, 90, 90. So this will also the 90. So we will take the half of that. What exactly we want to prove? We want to prove DM square is equal to DN into MC. We want to prove this one. We want to prove DM square is equal to DN into MC is here. So first of all we are supposed to try to understand which two triangles we are supposed to make the similar. हमें कौन से दो triangle को similar करना है. तो यहाँ से अगर हम थोड़ा ऑपरेशन करें तो you will see DM into DM is equal to DN into MC. So this DN you can write down DM over DM and this is MC over DM. So here you are getting DMN and here is DCM. We are getting one of the triangle is DMN, this one, and DCM. This is you are getting the exact triangle, but another triangle you are getting here is DMN is here only. See, but the exactly what is going to happen? This is a 90, this is 90, this is 90. So this automatically will be the 90. So it means this BMDN either it will be the square or the rectangle because all the angles are 90. And if all the angles are 90, either this will be the square or the rectangle. Only it is possible in rectangle or the square is there. If it is a square or the rectangle, you can say opposite side will be the equal. This BM will be equal to this one and this will be equal to this one. If it is a square, then all the sides are equal. So we will take the advantage of this one. So if we can write in place of this DN, we can write down to BM. So you are getting the triangle DBM and triangle DMC. अगर मैं DN की जगह पर BM रख दूं तो you will get the triangle DMB and triangle DMC. So you are supposed to make these two triangles are the similar here. So look at. See now the proof. See now here you can see now this is your 90 is there. You can say the angle in triangle, you can say in triangle BDC, in triangle BDC, angle BDM plus angle MDC is equal to 90. This is already given. This angle plus this is 90. Similarly, now you can take in triangle DMC. Just take in triangle DMC. What you will get? Angle MDC plus angle C will be equal to 90. Because sum of these three angles is 180. This is already given 90. So sum of these two will also be the 90. This is your equation 2. But here only this is also 90 and this is also 90. So equation 1 you can write on equation 2 equal to equation 2 is here. So you will get BDM plus angle MDC is equal to angle MDC plus angle C. And MDC this is cancelled. So finally you are getting angle BDM is equal to angle C. So we are getting this angle BDM is equal to this one. Now you can take in these two triangles. I am going to draw it. Look at here now. Now in triangle BMD and triangle CMD we are taking. So angle BMD is equal to 90 is equal to angle CMD is already given. This is 90 and 90 and this angle is equal to this is already proved. Angle BDM is equal to angle C. This is already proved. So in these two triangles, this is 90, this is 90, this angle is equal to this one. So you can say these two triangles are similar. Therefore you can say the triangle BMD similar to triangle CMD by AA similarity you can say. And once these two triangles are the similar, then you can say the ratio of the corresponding side will be the equal. Now you can take C. This we can take this triangle. This 90 opposite side in triangle BMD is BD. Therefore, and this 90 opposite side is DC is equal to this angle opposite side is BM and this angle opposite side is DM is equal to, now third angle automatically will be equal, this angle will be equal to this one. So this opposite side is DM over this opposite side is MC. But you can take from here only, you can take from these two. So what you will get, you will do the cross multiplication. From these two, you will do the cross multiplication. So DM into DM, you can get DM square and this is BM into MC. This is you are getting. But exactly we want to prove DM square is equal to DN into MC. We want DN is here. So this is 90 and this 90 and this is also the 90. So either this BM DN is a square or a rectangle. So you can write down here only. Now you can give the numbers here, like you can give the X here. Now in quadrilateral BM DN, angle B is 90 is equal to angle N is equal to angle M. This is the information is already given. So therefore angle D will also be the 90. Hence you can say BM DN is a, you can say the square or you can say the rectangle, because this is the properties already we know that. So therefore you will get, this is, if it is a square or the rectangle, their both sides will all be equal. So BM is equal to DN. You can give this is Y. So from equation X and Y. Now from equation X and Y, in place of this BM, what we can write down? DN is there. So therefore DM square is equal to DN into MC, which you want to prove. Have a look.